Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have another knife unboxing. This came in a package with a bunch of other stuff from Amazon, so just took this out of the package, didn't actually know it was in there, so we'll do an unboxing this way. Actually, I just had another Smith & Wesson knife that I bought for, I think it was $16. I returned it, and then I was going to rebuy it, because I returned the other one because the blade centering was way off. So maybe I could buy another one, but then the price went up to 22 bucks. And this is a different Smith & Wesson knife that I was looking at buying the previous time, but this one was, I don't know, $25, but now it's down to 15 or 16. So the prices swapped around. So let's get this one open. Actually, let's use a different knife. We'll use this guy here. I usually use this for all my unboxings. So yeah, just want to leave in the studio here. So this is the, this doesn't say what it is. 1122568 is the model number. I'll look up the actual name of this and put it in the video title, and I'll link this one in the description as well if you want to purchase it for yourself. I want to open this without ripping it. Okay, let's see what this one is. This one is not assisted. The other one was assisted. I actually prefer a non-assisted blade. I don't know if I'm going to like this one or not. It's got enough grip to it. It's just kind of feels kind of thick. I guess it's about the same thickness as this one. Yeah, I guess that's about right. The blade centering is perfect on this one. The blade does not move around nearly as much as the other one did. I could flex the other one back and forth real easy. This one's doing a little bit, but not as easy as the other one did. Little lanyard loop here. This is an interesting texture on here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like this one. Feels kind of loosey-goosey actually. There's really no friction on here. Detent's pretty weak. I like to have a little bit of friction, like on this guy here. It's kind of got to pull back on it, and then it'll pop out. So you got to go past the detent. This one doesn't have that. It just kind of just flops open. I don't ever use my thumb or my fingers. I only ever use this finger. All my knives have a flipper on them like that. So maybe I'll get some practice doing the reverse flick thing, which I've never ever done, and I've never done the thumb flick either. So yeah, I wanted to get a knife with the Wharncliffe type style blade. This one has a little bit of curvature to it, so not quite a Wharncliffe, but it should do okay for opening packages, and I have no idea what steel is on this blade. So really just bought something to try with opening boxes. The Wharncliffe blade. Not very good at sharpening knives, so I figured something with the straight edge would be easier to sharpen as well. So anyway, here we go. The Smith & Wesson, whatever this thing is called. Actually, you know what, let me look it up real quick so I can call it by the right name. Alright, so this is the Smith & Wesson Sideburn 7.25 inch high carbon stainless steel Ultra Glide folding knife with 3-inch Wharncliffe blade and G10 handle for outdoor, tactical, survival, and EDC. Looks like it's still $15.62, so I will leave a link to this knife in the description below. Zoom out a little bit here. I guess that'll work. Not quite as fast as this one here. Alright, that'll conclude this video. As always, thank you for the time and thank you for watching.